Let me introduce EooSHARK's newest electric skateboard, K1. Our team has worked very hard for a year to bring you our first skateboard with a detachable battery, allowing you to go further than ever before. The inconvenience of the inbuilt battery pack has been removed. The range has increased to 25 kilometers per battery, so you can go much further than you could before. You can even charge your mobile devices with a 5-volt charging output installed on each battery. Our team continues to break barriers with the water and dust proofing to improve the riding experience. The new and improved lighting in bathrooms provides safer riding with the anti-glare high-powered increased search distance of our new light bulbs. Also, the 256 colour RGB light keeps the style and safety in mind as you travel at night. The K1 implements technology from years of research and development from EooSHARK's finest engineers. These advancements include an elastic board, shock-absorbing sandpaper, W-shaped foot socket, FOC controller, BMS battery management, high-density bridge, brake-back charge, safe parking, battery display and fast battery charge, just to name a few. Believe me, the K1 will be a ride that you don't want